also can absolutely, hold on, let me move it. Place one coat of the gel polish and gear, and then you can apply the matte top coat on. Hold on, for fusioning. This one is my nails. It go crooked, but it's okay because I can try to shape it really straight. I am going to apply the matte top coat all inside the nails for my ring fingers and my index. This is for all of you who are doing a lot of clear nails now for your clients, like have glass nails. I'm going to keep for 60 seconds and turn that way. So I promise when we're done. Hey Lily, when it's done, it's gonna look so much better. It looks so much better in person than in the video though. I couldn't get it pulled out because I think it's just not vibrant. It's just so simple. And this time we did the transfer foil with the butterfly stickers, fusioning, and opal. So this for all of you who is in a low-key like this. So on the 29th, number 29 is the HD flowers. There's a ton of them. I should pick like this one. Vibrance is cute as well. I don't know, they're all fun to play with. But you know, I'm telling you, here's my story, my personal story. Like, I got all this too with the fusionings, really cool, really stunning. And I'm working on the line and veins with the black gel painting and gold gel painting. And guess what? I was getting the bottle of alcohol to spray it on. I think it's a little bit of residues on my twin tip brush handle. So of course I just wash all my fusioning off. It wasn't that fun, but hey, I'm not giving up. I want to try it again. So now I'm doing non-dominant hands. It's gonna be so much better. Hey Nuna, hi Keja, hi Nails by Alexandra. You are not I was so late. Is you know you're not late at all. We're gonna do something fun. Hi Bonita, hi KJ, hey Funky Free, Capri, Nails by Netanya, Addicted Nails, hello. I just want to say hello to everyone. All right, so yeah, hello. Hi Tammy, I am doing well. How are you? Happy Wednesday. Okay, so now I get these two nails matte already. So again, if you don't want to do a clear nails like this, you can always doing like color. You can do any of like shade of really sheer colors or any solid colors like that, or anything you like, you can do it on. I think it will look so stunning. So I'm not using the lights first. And just give it a dab randomly. I'm gonna do both of this. Hi Nuna. Hi Debbie. Hi Whitney. Hi Shelly. Hello ladies, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Wednesday. Today I am doing my nails. Different. I'm almost doing a feel for you, but it's you see feel all the time, but something is fun with this to create. You're gonna want to see it. So I'm gonna do it 3 times. Just give a little bit more pigments on it when I start playing with. We'll do 2 nails with fusionings and crystal placement, which is we're gonna using the opal, really low keys. And different to me. I haven't wear this. I don't think I ever wear like completely with fusionings and chamfer foil. It looks so beautiful, but I never done it. I think on the clear nails. So this is just for all of you who are asking for clear nails with this fusion inks. And channel 4, this is the video is specially for you. So hi Nancy Nail Art. So I'm gonna go into a calming and give it just a tap right there.
Think it's turning green?
Not really, well. Look cool because of course the blue and yellows make green. All right, just a little bit. So can you see it? Different when you're doing it your nails. And then I will go into using Passionate right after. So hard, I'm trying to get myself in here. You think I can get in inside here?
Yeah, you can.
Because a big like spotlights on the top of me, so I couldn't see it closer, so I moved my hand, my fingers up. All right, sorry. Okay, take a piece of paper. And this is a great way for a lot of beginners who is worried about bleeding and getting all your fusionings bleeding, and it doesn't look really precise. So just only you need is crystal clears. I can use it all day long, and when it's special with the clients, I love it because it doesn't give me a hard time that I have to using any type of brush. You can just using this crystal clear, and it should guide you to exact what you want, where you want, I mean. All right, so you can see it good. I'm gonna do, just give it a tap, just tap, or you can wipe it, doesn't matter. Wipe it up on the piece of papers before you decide to dip in back into the bottles and pick up more crystal clears. I'm gonna go into this one. I'm gonna do 2 nails at the same time because I'm gonna do 2 different look. Well, it's similar. But if you're doing all the nails, 10 nails for the client, they are not gonna look identical. It's gonna be like a little bit different. It's awkward working on the nails like that. Great. Pretty much wipe off your brush so you have just a little bit of crystal clear left. And then you can create it, you can tap it to wherever you want to draw the veins is. It's gonna create a really different stunning look for you without bleeding too much. Great. I like it. Let me see on this side. Maybe I turn it this side, it's gonna be better. It's hard for me to do from the other side because it's opposite way. There you go. Okay, I think I'm good. I'm gonna draw the veins for this using a black precision brush, gel painting. If you don't have this bottle, which is, I love this precision brush beside using our precision, beside using our tinted brush, but you can also using this as a precision brush gel painting. It's come in the black and white now. It's just so handy that I can using this precision brush and create fun veins on this. I have to remove all my jewelry today on my nails because one of my thumb is broken because I'm not supposed to open the box with the nails. And I did. Alright, so I'm going to do a flash clear for 30 seconds first.